filming?
This is the pectoralis matrix for arm flexion, and the origin is the clavicle and the sternum, and the insertion is the humerus.
Okay.
This is the serratus anterior over here. Serratus anterior. The origins are ribs
1 through 8, right?
Yes. The action is rotate the scapula.
Rotate the scapula.
Origins 1 through 8, and the insertion is scapula.
Scapula.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the deltoid. Deltoid. The origin. Or the action is the origin is the clavicle and the acromion process and spine of the scapula, or acromion and spine of the scapula, and the insertion is the deltoid tuberosity of the humerus.
Makes sense.
Subclavius, the action is to depress and protract the shoulder. The origin is the first rib, and the insertion is the clavicle.
Great.
Okay, and the pectoralis minor. Pectoralis minor draws the scapula inferiorly or anteriorly, and the origins are ribs 3 through 5, and the insertion is the coracoid process of the scapula.
Somewhere over here. It's
Neck
cut off.
plant. And then the external intercostals.
Yeah.
Are right here, and they aid in inhalation, and the origin of the external intercostals is the inferior border of rib above. The insertion is the superior border of the rib below. These are the internal intercostals. They're for exhalation. It's backwards. The origin is the superior border of the rib below, and the insertion is the inferior border of the rib above. And the diaphragm, whatever, is the prime mover of inhalation.
It would be somewhere in between there.
This is the rectus abdominis. It's to flex and rotate the vertebral column. The origin is the pubic crest and pubic symphysis around there. The insertion is the xiphoid process, and
ribs 5 through 12.
Ribs 5 through 7.
Never mind. Yeah. 5 through 7.
So right here, 5, 6, 7. So you can see it.
Good.
And the external oblique right here. The action is flex and rotate the vertebral column. The origin is ribs 5 through 12. The insertion is a pubic crest and the iliac crest and the linea alba.
Excellent.
And the internal oblique
Would be internally.
It's internal.
I'm not really, we don't have that on the model, but
Flex and rotate the vertebral column. The origin is the iliac crest. The insertions are ribs 9 through 12 and the linea alba.
great.
And the transversus abdominis, you can actually see if you take the shell off. It's totally the deepest out of all of the...
Let's take the shell off.
No, let's not.
Why not? Does he just fall out? Excellent.
So the action of the transversus abdominis is to compress the abdominal contents. The origin is ribs 6 through 12, and the insertion is the pubic crest and the linea alba.
Great.
The rectus abdominis is the only one that's not attached to the linea alba.
Awesome.
The trapezius.
All right. Turning around.
Whoa.
Right on the floor. That's awesome.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.